to start my computer like 3 times. It just can't get onto the internet. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing on my eyes. So I really, oh, sun, I really love it. Okay, so all over the lid, I have this Maybelline Color Tattoo in the color Pomegranate Punk. And then over it, MAC's Star Violet. Okay, in the crease from my Naked Basics palette, I have Naked 2. And then Venus as the highlighter under the brow and in the corner. And then I also put the Star Violet and the Pomegranate Punk underneath, and then lined with black as well. So that's that. And I'm getting ready to go out. I have been invited to a lunch. Oh, and then as my regular face, from the Naked Flushed palette, the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter. You can really see the highlight right there. And right there and there. And then on my lips, just, I did have, where is it here? I did put a little bit of the Revlon lip butter in Cupcake, which is a pink. Not too much, because I don't know. I didn't feel like having like a pink look. And then this Rimmel Stay Glossy, and I don't know what color it is. It's just the light goldish type of color. Has that kind of an applicator. So I've been invited to a lunch by somebody that I met at the kirtan that I was at on Friday night. Was it Friday or Saturday? Friday night, I think. And she's going to tell me a little bit more about this product that she's involved with. I'll show you. It's called Juice Plus. And I'll tell you guys more about it when I find out more about it. This is the back of the card. And then also, this is really cool. It's a tower garden that you can grow all fruits and vegetables in your house. And this is actually rather large. It's like 6 feet tall, or it's huge. And you can buy these seedlings and for strawberries, peas, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, etc. And I don't think it needs soil. Kind of like a hydro something or other garden. And like in 3 months, you've got fresh vegetables, and they just keep coming up. And so something I'm interested in. So I'm going to a vegetarian luncheon with her at someone's lovely home, and I'm going to learn more about these products and just get to know some other women. So I'm looking forward to that, and I will show you what I'm wearing when I get dressed. So I'm wearing my shapewear and then that top that I got from Lucky Brand over it with my jeggings and my boots from Aldo. I think I kind of want to wear them like this. I think I like them like that. And then I think I'm going to wear my sweater, if it fits over this sweater. If not, I will wear my leather jacket. But I think this is going to be okay. I want to get like a belt, like a low slung belt. I actually do have one, but I don't know if it'll go with this. Yeah, I like that. And then I don't know if you guys have like those Asian stores in some of your malls. A lot of mine are going out of business. But I bought this Buddha head. There's another Buddha head. And look at them. They're both doing something with their legs. Yeah, so I like that little setup there. Hi, babies. You're so cute. So anyways, I got these, well, I got these two bracelets from them as well. Let me show you. This one I made. It's got little chain hanging and a little thing there. And then this one I also made. I showed you guys this before. But I bought these. They were $1 each. I don't know what they're made out of. Some kind of resin. They're green, and they've got like a little detail on them, just like little bangles. Just throw them all on. And then 3 of these, they're stretchy necklaces, and so I just thought, just to kind of throw that on as well. Could double one of them up. Could double them all and then just, but just like that. Okay, I'm off. I forgot earrings. I love these silver balls. They are just so convenient and perfect with like everything, you know. I'd like to get them in pearls, I think. Okay, so that's the final outfit. With my Rebecca Minkoff bag, which I have a love-hate relationship with because it's weighted very well, so it sits nicely on your shoulder. But it is a heavy son of a bitch. Like, to get it in the car, you take it off and I'm like, throw it into the other seat of the car. It's just, it drives me crazy, but I adore it. The leather is like no other, and I just love it. And this is real, by the way, folks. It is real. Alright, so that's it. Do you like the boots down like that? No one's gonna really notice. Right? Okay. It's just an easy outfit. I'm gonna try and show you in the sunlight what this polish looks like. This is the Mariah Carey liquid sand collection, and I got the minis because it came in a set. So there's the purple one, and unfortunately these don't say the colors. So that's purple. This is blue. And just so you can see the 2 different colors, and my nails are wet, and I know, oh, I'm gonna screw it up. This is purple, this is blue. That call was an automated call from my town because we're expecting a huge snowstorm. Everybody's like acting like we don't live in New England, and they're scaring the hell out of me. But so there's no parking on the street. They've already declared a town of emergency from Friday until Monday. So this is the blue and this is the purple. You can see the difference. And then this is the red. I don't know why that doesn't seem to be focusing. And this is the black, which is what I'm wearing on my nails, and I'll show you in a second. So this is what it looks like when it has dried. It's not a matte finish, it's a, you can see, sand finish, liquid sand. And this nail here I smudged, and when I put on the little dot right there to fix it, it just, that part comes out kind of shiny. But you could put a top coat over it and it would be just as beautiful. But this is it without the top coat. It's really unusual. My friend Judy is in love with these, and that's really weird. This one had smudged too, and so see how it is, it's shiny. But I would think that this would look nice with tips if you just put a shine on the tip like this. Anyway, so what I was saying was my friend Judy, MABQ22, loves these. And so of course I had to go out and get it. I'm like all butterfingers right now. Don't you hate it when when you feel like you're dropping everything? Okay, so I just put a coat of clear Sage V on the tip. Isn't that cool? I love that look. I'm gonna, just for you guys, put clear on this one so that you can see what it looks like if you put clear over it. It's not the way that it's supposed to look, but you know what? You can do whatever the hell you want. It's gorgeous with the clear and with that. It's just very, very different. So as the top coat is drying, I see that it still has a little bit of texture. What I find works really well, and one of my subscribers suggested it to me, is you take this, which is the green cap Jealous. And I get this at Sally. This, I recommend, everyone I recommended this to has been absolutely thrilled with it. Gina from Citrus Hearted, she loves this. Nikki from DUNNCD1, she loves this. I've told some other people about it. This is the most fantastic base coat ever. It will change your nails, I swear to God. What you do is you put this on before you put on your Sage V top coat, and this like seals in all the little ridges and everything of the textured nail polish, and then you can put your Sage V over that, and it comes out really smooth. So here you can see glossy, not glossy. So on to other things. Let's talk. I joined with Burke for why. I don't think I'm going to join that very ultra brand new state-of-the-art expensive health club, because the YMCA that I'm going to has everything that I need, plus a teen program, and it is so much less expensive for me and Burke to join, but not even the money so much. I love the classes that they offer. Here are the schedule, and every single day they have a Zumba class. They have group cycle, cardio ball, active strength, vinyasa yoga, gentle yoga, Zumba toning, which is with arm weights, cardio cuts, strength and stretch, express upper body, interval training, Kripalu yoga, all throughout the day. And more, Hatha yoga. They just have so much stuff that it really works for me, because during the day is when I want to go. I don't want to go to a gym really at night, because then I have to get my mother to watch Burke or whatever. And, you know, daytime is when I was looking for something to do. So last night we went, and Burke went to the teen open gym and played basketball. Loved it. And I just sat in the whirlpool, the warm whirlpool, and like enjoyed that. That's all I did. I did sit in on the Zumba class to see if I would like it, and I know I will. That she played great music, and the dance moves I can do. I'm really gonna like that. Tonight, and then my knee really hurt yesterday, so I'm glad I didn't try the Zumba. But tonight, I might try, they have kickboxing too. I might try body sculpt. And that is, what does it say, body sculpt? A fun, high-energy, total body conditioning class that incorporates resistance tubing, body bars, gliding discs, balance balls, and or handheld weights to shape, tone, and strengthen your body. What the hell, give it a little bit of a try. If I have to do anything with my knee, I'll just try to modify it. But I don't know, that sounds like fun, right? And then they have all the bicycles, they have a cycling room, treadmills, all the free weights, all the Nautilus, the classes, the teen center, and a pool. And they have the lanes. Oh, then they have water Zumba, water aerobics, and a zero, what's it called? Warm water, zero entry therapy pool. So like little kids can just walk right in. It's steam room. I'll get 3 1-hour personal trainer sessions. For Burke, it's only $12.50 a month. So that's that. And is there anything else I want to tell you? No, nothing else for now. I think we're going to go tonight. Burke wants to go again, so I think I'm going to take that and wait for the big storm to come. I gotta show you guys something. It is the cutest thing ever. Okay, I have a steam mop here. It's the Han. Okay. And I'm steaming. Okay, there's Bella. She turns her head. Okay, so I'm steaming the floor. Hang on, let me set this up. This is so cute. Watch what they do. Let's see. Just watch me. Oh, these toys. They're all over the place. Hi, Bella. Look at Bella's tail. Hi, Bella. Pom-Pom was like, what are you doing? Can I smell your ear? Hi, Pom-Pom. Kiss Bella's eye. Give Bella a kiss. Yeah, you kissing. You're a good kisser. And then I put down wee-wee pads. Oh. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Pom-Pom, you need to show everybody your new toy that Mama gave you. Yeah. A nice spray. Perfume. I know you guys don't like this, but too bad. Excuse how I look. It's not terrible, but I just came from the gym. I have to tell you guys about this. I know you've probably all seen it. The So Delicious coconut milk ice cream. I got the chocolate peanut butter swirl. It is freaking amazing. Oh my God. Now, I haven't had any ice cream for over 4 months, so keep that in mind. For half a cup, it's 210 calories. Okay, Pom Pom, come here. Where's your toy? Get down. For half a cup, it's 210 calories. Total fat, 13 grams. Total carbs, 21. 12 sugars, 3 grams of protein. Okay, okay. I couldn't eat very much. I can't eat a lot of ice cream for some reason. I get really, really full. I was able, let's see, I should have measured it. That's how much I had. That's probably a little less than a half a cup. Oh, but it was so delicious. And we're getting a huge, unbelievably big snowstorm. Everybody's going crazy here. They're all nervous and everything. So I thought for the weekend, I'll have a little treat now and then, and filled me up really fast. But you guys, if you want a substitution for ice cream, Gina, have you tried this? It's dangerous though, because you know it still has calories, but it's so good. It is Burke playing in the snow. He can walk on the street because the plows haven't come. We got a ton of snow. Look at my window. Because this screen is not put down. Actually that one is, but it still came up. He's getting a workout walking around. Oh my God. I have no idea why he's going there. He doesn't know anybody there. He's gonna run down and jump. So what have I been doing? I did like a hair treatment, and then I bought some t-shirts, and I did some cool things to them. So I cut off the neck and the arms and the bottom, and then I painted this saying with different letters, and everything is on purpose. So for instance, if you see that little black mark and that and that's this is a really old t-shirt, and I just did that. It's just fun. These paint pens right there. I wish I had blue. This one's really cute. Holding the camera under my neck. Ugh. I'm not done with this one. It's gonna have the words love written all over it in different like fonts. Take off your boots first! I saw you jumping around outside.
So fun.
It was?
It was so fun. I was like, ah!
Let me see your hair. Come here. Oh, you're getting snow all over the place. Come on. You have to do this outside.
All right. Here. Oh, that was so fun.
Oh.
Let me see the video.
Burke, there's snow everywhere. No, I couldn't really see you.
Can I still see it though?
Yeah, in a minute. I have a little bit of a limp again from working out the other day. Just watching videos. And my hair's a mess, and I'm a mess, so I won't let you see me. I'm right behind you. We had a snowstorm, so I have been decorating t-shirts, and this is the first one I did. I cut off the neck and the sleeves and the bottom, and this is a saying by Paolo Coelho, I think that's his name. So it just says, when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. So that's one top. And then I'm taking some old t-shirts and just painting stuff. So this is like a heart, just like an abstract heart. And then I did these two over here. This is the Om symbol, little leaves, old t-shirt, and this one I thought came out really cute too. It's very abstract flowers.